Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the volume of cylinder and how to solve the question based on the volume of cylinder. Before moving towards volume of cylinder, we will discuss what is a cylinder. So, what is a cylinder? This kind of figure you are seeing it as a cylinder. Okay. What you are finding here? With which thing it is made up of? Coins. Okay, it is made up of coins. So can you see that the thickness of coin is less, so we can say that one circular coin, the next circular coin, next circular coin. So what we are getting that if we place circle over circle, if we place circle, then again one more circle over it, then more circle over it, more circle over it, so it becomes a cylinder, which means keeping a circle over another circle, and that on that top of it one more circle, so we will get a cylinder. And this height of cylinder is depending upon the number of circles. So and if we say that this height is h, then can we say that the volume of cylinder is area of circle, area of circle into h. Got it? Since this cylinder is made up of circles only, so this volume can be written as area of circle into number of coins. But instead of number of coins, if we take this height as h, then it become area of circle into h. So the formula for volume of cylinder will become area of circle into height. And what is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. So the volume become pi r square h. So did you get it? How did we find the area of circle into height as volume of cylinder? And it will be so easy to remember the formula also, because we already remember the formula for area of circle. Okay, now let's solve some question based on it. The question says that the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of pipe if 1 centimeter cube is equal to 0.6 gram. We have to find the mass of pipe. So for that, first of all, we have to find the volume of wood used to make the pipe. But what is given? We are given that it is a hollow cylinder. Which kind of cylinder it is? Hollow cylinder. So it will be like this. Here. It will be like this. If we find out the area of inside cylinder, this cylinder, then we will get this area of empty part, volume of this empty part. Okay, so volume of this empty part, and if we find out the volume of outer cylinder, then we will get this whole volume. Okay, and if we subtract from the outer volume the inner volume, we will get the volume. Which volume? We will get this volume of wood which we required. So the thing is that we have to subtract outer volume to the inner volume. Okay, for that what we need? we need the radius, so it is diameter 24, so radius will become 12. This is diameter 28, radius will become 14, and height is given as 35. So volume of wood, as we discussed, it is volume of outer radius, outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. So what will be the volume of outer cylinder? Pi r square h minus pi r square h. So from here pi is taken common and h is also taken common. So inside it we are left with r square minus r square. Okay. So now we will just simply put the value pi 22 by 7, capital R as 14. So 14 square small r is 12, 12 square height 35. And when we solve, we will get it as 5720 centimeter cube. Now we have to find mass, and it was given that mass of 1 centimeter cube is 0.6 gram. So mass of this much 5720 centimeter cube is 0.6 into 5720 gram, which will come as 3432 gram, or we can say it as 3.432 kg, and that's our answer. Have a look. I hope you all have understood this question. Since we have to find only volume of wood, that's why we are using this formula pi capital R square minus R square into H. Also remember, it is a hollow pipe. If the pipe is not hollow, then we can simply use the formula, that is volume of cylinder. Okay, for hollow we have to use this formula. Okay, moving toward the next question. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can with rectangular base. Rectangular base will be like this. Length 5, breadth 4, and having a height of 15 centimeter. So which figure we are getting this? Good, cuboid. This is a cuboid, which means first is a cuboid. Okay, let's move on. What's about the second? A plastic cylinder. Oh, second is already given that it is a cylinder with diameter 7 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Now, which container has greater capacity and by how much? Okay, so for that, what we have to do? First, we have to find out the volume of rectangular base, which means we have to find out the volume of cuboid. Then we have to find out volume of cylinder, and after that we will can say that which has the greater capacity and by how much. What is the formula for volume of cuboid? In last class we have done. Good, length into breadth into height, and length is given as 5, breadth 4, height 15. So volume we are getting 300 centimeter cube. Now for cylinder, radius is 3.5 because 7 is the diameter and height is 10. So the volume of plastic cylinder we are getting is 385 centimeter cube. Now out of these two volume, which volume is greater? You can say easily this one, 385 is greater. So volume of plastic cylinder is greater, hence its capacity is greater, and by how much? By 85 centimeter. Yes, this one only. Moving toward next question. if the lateral surface area, what do you mean by lateral surface area? It is CSA, curved surface area of cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter. Then we have to find radius of base and its volume, and pi we have to use as 3.14. So tell me, what is the formula for CSA? CSA is 2 pi r h. That is the CSA. Now we know that CSA is 94.2 centimeter square and height is 5. When we substitute the value here, we will get our radius as 3. In second part, we have to find out its volume. So volume formula is pi r square h. So again we will substitute the value 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 5, because radius we got here as 3. Radius we got here as 3. So we substitute and we get 141.3 centimeter cube as its volume. So simple it is. Let's see what is the next. Okay, today's last question. And the question says that there is a lead pencil, consists of cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled inside the wood. Did you ever observed your pencil? If the pencil is new, you can see that outside material is made up of wood and inside material is filled with graphite. The same thing here also explained in the question. The diameter of pencil is 7 mm and the diameter of graphite is 1 mm. Length of pencil is 14 centimeter. Then we have to find out the volume of wood and volume of graphite. So volume of graphite we can find out easily. That will be the taking the radius from here and height from here. We can simply find out the volume of graphite by the formula pi r square h. 22 by 7, 1 mm, so 0.05 cm, and again r square 0.05 and h is 14 centimeter. So this we get 0.11 centimeter cube. Now come back to the first question which we solved, in which we have to find out the volume of hollow cylinder. So the same formula we will use here also. Volume of wood is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square into h. And now while solving we will get this answer, which will be the volume of wood. This one 5.28 centimeter cube. Understood? This is also a simple question. So that's all for today. Rest we will do in next class. Thank you, students. You must revise all the formulas, concepts,